Meaning of discount.
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 Discount. The term discount refers to a reduction in the price of an item or service. It is often offered as an incentive to encourage customers to make a purchase. Discounts can be made in several different ways, such as a percentage off the original price or a fixed amount reduction. The result of a discount is that the customer pays less than the regular price, which can be beneficial for both the consumer and the seller. By offering discounts, businesses can attract more customers and increase sales while providing consumers with a cost-saving opportunity.